Hello everyone, this is my review of this light set for your desk. This light set can be used for lighting up your area when you're streaming on a video conference or taking videos or photos. It comes with two light sets, two extender shafts, two flex shafts, two tripods, two clamps for the desk, and two power cords and two swivel hinges. This light set clamps to the edge of a desk. Even if you have a very thick edge or lip, it can still clamp to it because you can adjust the clamp for a pretty large size, so it could fit just about any desk. You have two configurations you can use on the desk. I'll show you a clamp to the desk first, and I'll show you with the tripod. Attach your main straight shaft onto the C-clamp, then you attach your flex shaft onto your straight shaft, and straight shaft can extend up and down to give you some more length if you need it as well. The other setup is with the tripod just on top of the desk with the light attached to it with the swivel joint. Then you just plug it in and switch it on. It has an LCD screen in the back so you can see the intensity of your light and the frequency you have it set at for the type of light you want. As you can see, I'm adjusting the brightness of the light so you can go from 100 all the way down to 0. Here you can see the two different setups you can have. You can have it both clamped onto your desk, or you can have it sitting on the desk with a tripod here, but it gives off a good light. Let me show you what it looks like when my face light up. This is a pretty good product, and I hope